Then the voice comes from the sky. The voice says, I am in the heart of the uh, I am in the heart of the sick and the suffering. I am in the heart of the sick and the suffering. Yes. Then comes the third stanza. The third stanza, again, there is a search for this infant Jesus. All search for him. Even the three kings came there, the wise men from the east. They also came, they all search for Jesus. They also shout, they don't see him. Where are you, infant Jesus? Then the voice comes, it is like this, I am in the heart of the hopeless people. I am in the heart of the hopeless. So that's a place where we meet God. That's the message of the story. Where do we meet Jesus? Where do we meet God? We meet God in the sick and the suffering, in the poor and in the hearts of the poor and the neglected, and also in the heart of the hopeless. You can even translate it as in the heart of the atheist. Atheist, you can say that. It's no problem. Because God is everywhere. God is everywhere. So these are the places we find God. Emmanuel, God is with us. God is with us doesn't mean that it is God is with a particular group of people. God is with a particular sect. God is with a particular religion.